In the event of a tire puncture, the all-new Vios comes pre-equipped with a tire repair kit that can be easily used and is much safer and convenient than having to change to your spare tire. Here's where to locate the tire repair kit in your all-new Vios. The tire repair kit comes with a sealant bottle, a compressor, a speed restriction sticker. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to use the tire repair kit. Step 1. Remove the hose and extend the power cable. Step 2. Insert the sealant bottle into the compressor straight and firmly. Step 3. Make sure the claw hooks are fully inserted so as not to be visible. Step 4. Take off the stopper. Step 5. Connect the hose tightly. Step 6. Check that the power button is off. From this point onwards, it is important for you to check that steps 1 to 6 have been completed before proceeding. Remove the sticker from the bottom of the bottle and stick it on the driver's side mirror to remind the driver on the max speed allowed for driving in this condition. Insert the power cable to the accessory socket in your car. Start your engine or press the power switch. Confirm tire inflation pressure. Make sure the tire repair kit is placed on a flat surface and turn on the switch for the compressor, inflate up to specified air pressure and turn off the tire pump. Do not overinflate tires. Remove and disassemble the kit. Do a preliminary test drive of about 5 kilometers while not exceeding the speed limit of 80 kilometers per hour. Check the tire pressure again. If the check yielded the specified air pressure, you may proceed to drive to the nearest tire repair center. Do not proceed driving and contact Toyota 24/7 for car towing if the tire can't be inflated to specified tire pressure, if the tire pressure becomes less than 130 kPa or 19 psi after preliminary test drive.